Welcome to Moonshine Wednesday. Alright, so what's today's shine? Today's shine is a caramel apple moonshine. This one I think is going to be pretty fantastic. But you got some do-aheads. Alright, so what do you need to make this? Well, you need apple juice. And you need them caramel squares. You know them things. Right? I bought 2 packs. And that's what you're going to need for this. Okay. It's so simple to make. Well, kind of. Alright, the very first step is... Wait a minute, let me back up. Welcome to Stillworks and Brewing. My name is Randy and this is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. And like I've always said, hey, if you get a chance, hit that subscribe button down there somewhere. Alright, now let's get started. Okay, so the first step is you're going to need a couple mason jars. And in each mason jar, you're going to put 30 of these caramel squares. Now, here's the real fun part of this whole thing. Is opening all these damn little things up. They could make it easier. Alright. So, what we want to do is we want to put 30 in each one of these mason jars, and then we'll move on to the next step. So let me get this done, and I'll be back because I don't want to bore you with this. Okay? Okay, I got all them caramels all strained out. So now what we want to do is we want to put 2 cups of our good shine in each one of these jars. So 2 cups. Alright. There's our 2 cups of shine. All we want to do is put a lid on it. Alright, all we're going to do is put a lid on it, and every day we're going to give them a shake, and they will dissolve into that shine. Alright, it'd probably take a week, damn near, or a couple of days. So every day, just give it a shake. So we'll be back later on, probably in a few days or a week, to finish this product up. Alright, so we'll see you then. Cheers. Boy, that was a pain in the butt peeling all that damn thing. Here's our caramel. It's been a week. I mean, that looks pretty damn neat. Everything seems to be melted, but what I am going to do is I'm going to put it through a strainer just in case there was like maybe a one piece that didn't want to dissolve all the way. But I don't really think that's going to be the problem. It don't look like, they both look pretty good. Alright, so like I said, that's our next step, is we're going to strain our caramel out. And what we're going to end up doing is we're going to put 2 cups in each one of these mason jars and fill it up through of apple juice. And it should be a caramel apple. And I believe it's going to taste pretty fantastic. I believe it'd be a lot better cold. I love cold drinks, so you know that. Alright, so let's straighten this out before I see any clumps. Yeah, there's one little clumpy. Okay, there was a couple little clumps in there, but overall, pretty good. All right. All right, so we're going to go 2 cups in here. Right there's the 2-cup mark. Put the funnel in. There's 1. I mean, I'm thinking it's going to do 2 jars. There, I think I'm going to get me a little jar. Okay, and a little bit in this one. Okay. Alright, well, I might need that. So, let's fill up with apple juice. Then all we got left to do is put the lids on it. I'm going to store it in the refrigerator. But with the amount of alcohol that's in that, it should be okay. But alright, so put a lid on it. I'll give it a little shake for stir it up. I mean, the color's there, a nice looking color. Okay. Now the good part. Let's see what it tastes like. It's got a good smell to it. Whoa. It's like a real creamy apple. That's delicious. I mean, I taste the apple and of course you taste the caramel. I don't think I would change it at all. That is good. I can't imagine what that would be. Now, my favorite way to drink this would be over ice. And I don't think I would mix it with anything. Just a after dinner drink, that would be fantastic. I love it when a plan comes together, don't you? Okay. That's our caramel apple moonshine. It tastes fantastic. Alright, I can't wait to try it out cold. It's going in the refrigerator. It's going to get cold. Okay. So that's it for the caramel apple moonshine. Hey, it's been a great Moonshine Wednesday. I got something coming up that I think is going to be a lot of fun. I mean, it's been done before. It's not my idea. But I think it's going to be a lot of fun. We'll let you know what that is. I got one more coming out before that one. I'm trying to get all this like this here. I really consider this a fall drink. But I just wanted it. I've been trying to do all the summer drinks here first. You know, your berries and your lemonades and all that. Not that you have to have them in the summertime. They're just really refreshing to me in the summertime. Okay? Alright. I guess the last thing I got to say is, hey, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you next time here on Stillworks and Brewing. Happy Moonshine Wednesday, guys. Cheers. Alright, that is good. Oh.